What's the meaning of but? But. But.
But. But. The word but is a conjunction that is used to indicate a contrast or opposition between two clauses, phrases, or words. It serves as a means of introducing a statement that is in conflict with or contradictory to a previous statement. The result of using but is that it creates a sense of tension or surprise in the mind of the reader or listener and brings attention to the contrast being made. In this way, but can be an effective tool for emphasizing a point and highlighting the differences between two ideas or concepts.